I'm Ricky from TechTalk, and today is a basic video on the Honor 8X, and today it's just showing you how to insert your SIM card, which is a nano SIM card, and also offers a dual SIM option and a micro SD card up to 400 gigabytes, which is supported on this device, which is great. So one thing you need to do first of all is power your device off. Pressing the power button down the middle right hand side, power off. So give that a couple of seconds to power off, which it has done. Looking down the left hand side, this is where you're going to find your SIM tray. So taking your tool, use the tool that's provided. I wasn't provided with one as it is a review model. Push straight down and you see the tray pop up. Use your fingernails. So this does offer a dual SIM option, as you can see here. It's a triple tray setup. So you've got your micro SD card this side. So let's put that in now. Like I said, it offers up to 400 gigabytes, which is amazing. So that just sits in there like so. It's very wobbly, so please be careful. So taking the SIM card next. So I'm only going to use a single SIM option here. So there we go. That is how your card setup will be. And if you had a third SIM, that will sit in there like so. Returning to your device, make sure you hold level. And slowly just push in. Just make sure you hold the cards so they don't move at all. There we go. Make sure you push that all the way in. Power our device back on. So as this is powering back on, if you do have any questions or queries, drop a comment down below and I'll be more than happy to help as always. So now it's going to ask you to choose, is it a pay-as-you-go SIM or a pay monthly SIM? It's the top one and we're ready to go. At the top here, you've got Vodafone UK. Your signal bars are going to start coming through and it's going to connect to the network. You may receive some text messages as well about just setting up and welcoming you to a new network. Sometimes as well, you may get a notification about the SD card. We haven't got one, so let's go into settings. In settings, go into storage, which is here, and inside storage here you've got your internal storage options and then you've got your SD card options here, and with that option up to 400 gigabytes of extra storage will give you loads of extra room, so you can take loads of photos and videos, have all the apps you want and all the music you can listen to and videos to watch as well. So that was a quick basic video on the Honor 8X. If you have any questions or queries, drop a comment down below. Please give a like on the video as it does help. And from me, Ricky, I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.